Here's a quick review of the LeFant Robot vacuum cleaner. I've had it for about a week now. I wanted to make sure I knew how it worked really well before I said anything about it for my review. And I used to have the one from Costco. The one from Costco was called Roomba, and I didn't like it. It seemed like it couldn't get up any little hills or to the carpet, or it didn't suck. But I don't think it sucked at all. I think it just swept. I don't know. It wasn't very good. Hope I don't get sued. So anyway, I got this from Amazon, and this is the exact type. It's called Strong Suction. Yay. So that's how much I paid. And then there was taxes on top of it, so then it ended up to be like that much. Really good deal. I mean, my Costco one before, I think it was like $500.
What?
So, I mean, I hate vacuuming. Anyway, this is how it works. So here it's all plugged in. But, I mean, to put it together was simple, really simple. You just pop the wheels in, and look at the shocks. They're really good. And then you pop these things on. Just clip them in. It was super easy. Okay, well, anyway, and this is the kind I have here. It's one of the cheaper ones, actually. There's even some that do like mopping. We'll see, I might do that later. But I'll show you how it works quickly. Oh, and this is the reason I needed one. She sheds a lot. And she's not even that afraid of it. Ivory! Bow down to the vacuum cleaner robot thing. Good dog. So after you finish putting it together, you need Wi-Fi for it. So you just go to your apps and look for the app for it. LeFant Robot app. But also in the first page on the directions, it's got a one of those symbols you take a picture of or whatever, and it goes right to it anyway. So there you go. This is what it looks like. You call it whatever you want. I called mine Aunt Mabel. And it was really easy to hook up the Wi-Fi. And one thing I just learned today, it's got 4 types of cleaning it does. I'm like, what? So you just go to that. So I have it on, current operating mode is along edge. So you just click that. Spot focus along edge, whole area, random, arranged. So whatever. I'm going to put it on, I'll put it on whole area. Oh, that just started it. I just stopped it because I'm not ready to reveal that yet. And the other thing I just found out is it's got powerful mode. That's awesome. Oh, and then quiet mode. Well, I'd rather have it on powerful mode. You can do all sorts of things with it. I like to get up first thing in the morning and just hit start cleaning. So go back to home. So there you go. Pretty simple. Only thing I don't like about it is it does take a long time to charge, like 3 hours or something. And it goes for about an hour and a half. I wish it would just go all day. Anyway, check this out. You just click on house cleaning, and there she goes. There goes old Aunt Mabel. See how loud it is. See, that's the powerful loud mode. It's not even that bad. It's pretty, and look at the little wings on it. It's pretty high up. See if it gets over that bump. No problem. It's got places to go. Okay, I'll show you, oh, let's see if it goes right up, no problem. I'll show you on carpet. Okay, I just put a handful of my dog's hair there because I was just petting her. And that's important for me to get, for that to get sucked up by the vacuum. Nice in here. Okay, so I just press this button. There she goes. And it looks like it got it. Oh. Anyway, so there it goes. Doing its thing. It's good for floor and short carpet. And there it is outside. See how it deals with that. Just trying to get around it. Anyway, I would just love to leave that going for like all day. And I love when you hire a house cleaner and you get home and your house is clean. You get home, you're like, oh, they vacuumed. Well, that's what this is for like $189 that I got it for. I don't know how much they are. I'll put the link underneath this video. So see how much they are now. But that's one time of paying $189 and then you're done. You have somebody to vacuum. I hate vacuuming. I'll let it run for another 15 minutes or so, and then I'll show you how to, oh, look, it goes right up that thing. That's high too. I'll show you how to clean out the box of garbage it gets after about 15 minutes. And it's attractive too. We'll get that hairball. Not a problem. And then back to the carpet. Pops right up. So I left it for about 15 minutes. And now I'm gonna clean it out. Don't judge me. Okay, so what you do is you just lift this up. When you flip it over, press this button here and lift this up. That's about 15 minutes worth. Kind of gets stuck in there a bit against the little filter. They also give you an extra filter. So, I mean, sometimes I give it a little scrape just to get the extras out of there. Then you shut it, flip it over, put it in, shut it. Then, look at that, from that dog. Then you just, you can make it go longer if you want, or it can be done, and I'll show you what button you press. It's house cleaning away, and then you think, well, it's had enough. So you just go to back to charge. And it's going to look for that area, put it back. Might take a while though. Maybe I should hit pause. Oh, it seeks it. It's like, oh, there it is. It's going to it, going to it. See how good of a driver it is. And when it blinks like that, it means it's charging. So, I mean, for $189 plus tax and shipping, that's the best thing I've ever bought in my house. Like, look at my house is clean now. Usually it's full of dog hair. Oh, and when you have any little carpets like that, you should put them up. But yeah, it's pretty great. I give it a 10 out of 10 for sure. And Bree's not that afraid of it. She does hop on the couch or whatever when it when it comes near her. So yeah, I would suggest it. So click on my link underneath. Buy it. Give me a thumbs up if you got any good information from this. Peace out.